everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this dog vacuum. It is a pet grooming kit and it is by the brand Houselife. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, everything that comes in here, you have one vacuum device, electric clips, clip comb, de-matting brush, sticker brush, nozzle, hair removal brush, and filter inside vacuum. So you have your user manual. Okay, so you have your trimmers and you press this button down. You can go up and down. So you can go 0.5, 1.0, or 1.5 millimeters for cutting the hair. That'll just lift that bottom piece up, as you can see right there. So you have that, and then it does come with all these different attachments right there. So it has a 12, 9, 6, and 3 that you can also use. You just attach it to this right here. Attach it like this, and then shave your dog. I will not be shaving my dogs. It's going to be winter soon, and I live up in the mountains, so I try not to shave my dogs as much as possible. But if you're somewhere where it stays pretty warm, doesn't get cold, it's really good to shave them in the summertime. So this is the bottom piece. So all you'll do, line up the thing, stick it right there. To open it up, you're just going to push this button down, pull out. So super easy. For emptying this out, when it's full, you'll go like that, open the bottom, and everything will fall out the bottom. And then you have your filter right here that you'll clean out, and you can replace them as well. So then you have all these different attachments. This is great for cleaning up dog hair, like on your couch and stuff. It has this little plastic grip, and as you can see, really great for that. You have this, which is really good for getting into cracks, corners, or just using as is. This is a dog brush. So what it does is you brush your dog's hair, and then once this gets full of hair, you're going to press this down like so, and it'll go like that, and then you suck in the hair. Sometimes when I do that, I kind of do have to kind of brush it down to get it in there, but that's how you use that one. And this is for like a thick coat hair. You brush their hair, same thing. You push this down and it brings it in. So depending on what type of coat your dog has, you'll use either one of these. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on. And you can do different sections. So that's low, that's high. Okay, so sit down. So you can see, and you just go like this. Sucking it up, just brushing it. That's my boy. So it has been like 2 minutes, like right at 2 minutes. And as you can see, there is no hair on the ground out here. It is all in here. Yes, I know, that feels good, huh? He loves being brushed. His super soft undercoat is pretty much gone. He has a bald spot right there because I just shaved him. I'm trying to review one of these before, but he loves being brushed. And you can see this is so much better because normally when I'm using one of these combs, all the hair would be out here and then I have to sweep it up and I'd get hair everywhere. This way it's a lot cleaner. And you just take it out like so, and then dump this into a dumpster. You just take this out, and then you're going to get all that hair out. So super easy to use. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.